Hey there. I've been hearing a lot about Alberta lately, and I'm curious about what the major industries are there. Can you fill me in?
Absolutely. Alberta is a province in Canada known for its diverse economy. There are several major industries that drive its economy. Let's start with the energy sector.
I've heard about Alberta's oil industry. It's pretty big, right?
Yes, that's correct. Alberta is often referred to as the energy province of Canada. The oil and gas industry is a significant player, with vast reserves of oil sands, conventional oil, and natural gas. It's a major contributor to Alberta's GDP.
I've also heard about agriculture being important there. Is that true?
Absolutely. Agriculture is another major industry. Alberta is known for its fertile prairies and is a leading producer of various crops, including wheat, barley, canola, and beef cattle. The agricultural sector plays a crucial role in both the provincial and national economy.
That's interesting. What about technology and innovation?
Alberta has been making strides in technology and innovation too. In recent years, the technology sector has been growing steadily, with a focus on artificial intelligence, software development, and renewable energy technologies. Cities like Calgary and Edmonton have become hubs for tech startups and innovation.
Wow, that's impressive. Are there any other major industries worth mentioning?
Absolutely, there are more. Alberta has a robust forestry industry, with vast forests covering the province. Timber, pulp, and paper production are significant contributors to the economy. Additionally, manufacturing, especially in the machinery, aerospace, and petrochemical sectors, plays a crucial role.
I've heard tourism is a thing in Alberta too. Is it a major industry?
Yes, indeed. Tourism is a significant industry in Alberta. The province boasts stunning natural attractions like the Rocky Mountains, Banff National Park, and Jasper National Park. Tourists flock to Alberta for outdoor activities, wildlife viewing, and cultural experiences. It's a major source of revenue, especially in places like Banff and Jasper.
It seems like Alberta has quite a diverse economy. Are there any emerging industries to keep an eye on?
Definitely. Alberta is actively diversifying its economy. One emerging industry is renewable energy. With its abundant wind and solar resources, Alberta is investing in clean energy projects like wind farms and solar arrays. This is not only environmentally friendly, but also economically promising.
That's forward-thinking. Are there any challenges these industries face?
Yes, there are challenges. The energy sector, for example, can be volatile due to fluctuating oil prices. Environmental concerns are also a significant issue, and there is an ongoing effort to balance economic growth with sustainability. The agricultural sector faces weather-related challenges, and technology companies often compete for talent with other tech hubs.
I see. What about the impact of global events, like the COVID-19 pandemic?
The COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on Alberta's economy. The energy sector, in particular, faced challenges due to reduced demand for oil and gas. However, the province has shown resilience and is working towards recovery.
Thanks for the comprehensive overview. It's clear that Alberta has a lot going on. I'm impressed by the diversity of its industries.
You're welcome. Alberta's economic diversity is one of its strengths. It allows the province to weather economic storms and adapt to changing global trends.
I appreciate you taking the time to educate me on this. I'll keep an eye on Alberta's economic development.
Absolutely. Feel free to ask if you have any more questions. Alberta's economy is always evolving, and there is always something new happening.